Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am here to help you in understanding the Reitveld refinement of your XRD data. For the Reitveld refinement, you have to first download and install the FP suite, which is a foolproof software for XRD Reitveld refinement of the data you have obtained. The main important files you need are the TAT file of your XRD data and the CIF file which should be downloaded. I'm also telling you about how to download that file. So starting with the Reitveld refinement, I will first go to my original XRD data, which is in my folder available here. So uh, for time being, I have this AASC file. So I am just here to copy this. I'm copying this, and I have to make a separate folder of this Reitveld refinement. I am creating this folder of Reitveld refinement, and I have to create folders by name, and this is a simple A. So in this folder I should have my three files. One is ASC file, the other is TAT file, and the third one is the CI file of this sample data. So to get the TAT file, I have to open this file in origin as I am doing this. So uh, you can see that origin is working, and we have to import this file in origin and get the intensity values. As you can see, I have this 2 theta value, and this is the intensity, and this is the intensity minimize. So I have to get this intensity which is of full width and full height. So I have copied this column, and I'm going to open notepad, and here I have to paste these intensity values and go to the top of the page. So here I have to give a command about my data starting 2 theta values with step size. So from this I can get the 2 theta is 6.0 is the initial values, and at the end I have 89.99. So for the step size I have to go back into the folder of the main XRD data to get the PDF file where they have mentioned the step size of my sample. Here is the a.pdf, and this step size you can for this step size you can go to the main files provided by the XRD results, and you can check there what is the step size. So you can see here that mine step size is 0.0130 for this sample. So getting the information about the step size, I am going again on the notepad, and there I'll write the initial values of 2 theta, that was 6.00, space the step size 0.0130, and the final values 89.99, and then I'm going to save this file, and don't forget to save that file in the folder you have created for the Reitveld refinement. Here I have selected all files, and it's a.dat file. Okay, it is saved. No, the last thing and most important thing is to get the CI file of the data. Here I will go to google.com, and crystallographic open database. Mistake here. This. So in this website there are a lot of CI files, and I have to find out my CI file, as I know that my material is cobalt oxide CO3O4. So I'll be searching here. So there are many things. So I am here writing CO3O4 and then pressing send to get possible outcomes from this database. So here I have to find the CO3O4. Here you can see that there is the CIF file of CO3O4. There are multiple files, so I have downloaded the one CIF file and it is here downloaded, and then I have to copy this file in that folder I have created for Reitveld refinement. So I have all three important files. One is CIF file, one is ASC file, and the other is a DAT file. So then I have to open the OpenSuite software foolproof and going to EDPCR. I'll first import my CIF file from the main folder. So importing this file will cause all the settings all automatically imported in this software. So in general, there is no need to change something in there. In this column patterns, I will have to add the DAT file. It will automatically go to the folder as I have done all the files in the same folder, and this format is free format, 2 theta step size, 2 theta final. Then here we select XRD X-ray refinement, and from here we will select 6.00 to 59.99, and the step size was 0.0130. That would be same as it is. So background type, no need to change, no need to change, and all the no need to change. Then phases, here we have all contribution to the pattern. Here is X-ray, and here we can select Thomson, Cox, Hastings, pseudo we get. So in symmetry, I have to opt the symmetry automatically from the CIF file and have to select OK. So the main settings and the importing of the file has been done successfully. So I will have to run the refinement for the first time and have to select the DAT file on which the refinement is to be done. So here you can see the value of chi square is 0.19 exponent 5, and I have to get this value between 1 and 2. So we will start running refinements here. So in refinement, select the cycle for the refinements to 10 and do refinement with profile and the main refinement for the scale for the very first time and refine again. So as you can see that the value of chi is decreasing. I have to run once more, and now there is no effect on the chi, so I will go for the next refinement. So the next refinement is first background refinement. So the chi value is abruptly decreases and it has reached 108, and we're getting near. So again refinement here in instrumental, I'll select 0. Don't forget to follow these refinements stepwise. So here you can see that scale refinement is not affecting. So in profile, I'll select no atoms, and we'll define the positions of the atoms. So there is still no decrease. Then we have to refine the background and select all the, so we have to select all the refinements and select OK and OK and refine. So this is the best refinement achieved. We have got 1.62 refinement value, and it is between the required values. So if I try another refinement, we can have a much decreased value, which is not good. So let me try this one, shape parameter, and run this. So it's 0.971 current value. So here you can see that all the peaks are well indexed with the refined values, and we have chi value 0.971 approximately equal to 1, which is a good founded value. So after achieving the refinement, we have to save this file, and when I go to cancel this, so in the folder created, you can see after all the work we have done, we have got the PCR file, we got the PRF file, and all these files over here. So in order to open the refined pattern, we have to open the suite again and go to the pin plotter file, open Reitveld profile file, and this one is okay, and then my computer T, and then the refinement folder A, and it will automatically give you the PRF file. And here you can see that it is the plotted PRF file of the Reitveld refinement you have done with the chi value over here. So from here you can export the graphics to BMP and save as A, and on the same folder you have created Reitveld refinement A and C. So going back to the full drive, so in the Reitveld refinement I have got this BMP image, and this is the final Reitveld refinement of my sample. You can see the green lines are Bragg positions, and all the peaks are on Bragg diffraction pattern, Bragg angles. So this refinement confirms that the sample is purely formed and there is no impurity phase in the sample. And this chi-square value is indicating that refinement has gone well within the limits. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for the further information. Thank you so much.